Taking a look at BAT USD right now on the daily. We're going to switch over here to the 30-minute chart really quick so you guys can get an idea of what we're going to be watching. So, of course, the lines that I have all set up right now are going to be for the daily chart, but I wanted to give you guys an idea here. You guys can see how the support level right there around that 5170 played a role. Once you guys broke through that, you guys came back down to another level around that 50 right there again, and then off of that, the 47. So we can go ahead and put another line in here around that 50, exactly 50. There we go. You guys have that 50 break. Once you guys broke through that, that's where it all started falling apart. You guys came back down here to that lower Bollinger Band. I think in the short term, we can watch for a bounce off this level, riding that lower Bollinger Band down. Now, if we jump over here to the daily, there we go with that. You guys can see what we're going to be paying attention to. There's a lot of lines in here, but the most important lines, again, are going to be... Let me go ahead and take out a few of these. At 50, we can remove the 10 and 20-day simple moving average around that 56 and the 58.50. These are going to be the levels underneath it that I would like to see hold as well. And that's going to be around that 40 is going to be the bottom. It's going to be the must-hold area. So let's go ahead and add in our notes here. And you guys are currently traded at... Add in that note. There we go. You guys are currently traded at 43.63. You guys are going to have your resistance levels at 44, 47.30, 51.70, 56, and then 58.50. That's going to be the top 20 and 30-day simple moving average. And your support, 42.50 and 40 must hold. Those are going to be the levels of support here. Again, I would be watching for a bounce here between the 42.50 on that low of today. That low of today of 42.431. That's what we're going to be watching for. So watch for a lower Bollinger Band bounce, 42.50 to 40. All right, so that 40 is going to be the must-hold area. That's where we'll be watching for. Get that break of 58.50. That's going to be the top level of resistance that could indicate a bullish reversal as well for BAT USD. If you guys follow the stock, I definitely encourage you to join InvestorsHangout.com, where you can share your thoughts and your opinions with the tens of thousands of other active investors who use InvestorsHangout.com daily. Taking a look at BCH USD right now, 1278 is where you guys are currently traded, breaking through that 1300 support that we were watching. Unfortunately, over here at 1600, when you guys broke through that 10-day simple moving average, you guys started getting above it on January 28th, but just couldn't do it. Ended up getting, looks like about topped out around that 1782. 1784 to be exact, both days, 1787, 1784, and then could not stay above that 10-day simple moving average. Has been falling since. You're going to have a long way back up above that 2020 up there at the top to get back into the bullish territory, bullish reversal. With that being said, we're going to be watching for a bounce here between the 1200 and 1100. That bottom at that 1100. 1094 is where the lower Bollinger Band is. You guys could end up continuing down there if you guys continue to drop. If history repeats itself, I would hope to see a solid support level around that 1100. Not even that 1000. I mean, that 1000 is going to be a little bit lower. I would like to see that 1100 definitely hold there. Could be getting ready to bounce there around that area. On your way back up, again, that 20 or 30-day simple moving average is at that 2020. So you're going to have a long way to go. But I think that if you guys are going to break through that 20-day simple moving average at 1781, would definitely be your first sign that, hey, a reversal is very possible at this point. And that's going to give you guys a little bit of a clearance between that 1780 and that 2020 mark. But these charts do change every single second, so it's hard to keep up, but we will always try to do so. And 1279 is where we're currently at. 1279 is where I'm going to put in here. Resistance level, 1300. Again, 1400 every 100. 1500 and then 1600. That's exactly where the 10-day simple moving average is as well. Support levels right now, 1200, 1100. 1100 must hold. That's why I'm going to put that in here. Watch for a bounce, 1200 to 1100. Again, if you guys continue to drop back down here, we're going to see how it holds there around that 1200. If you guys continue down, watch where that lower Bollinger Band is as well. That's at 1095, like I just said. But between that 1200 and 1100 possible bounce off of those levels, you're going to have a ways up. Like I said, that 30-day simple moving average, we're going to continue to watch that. BCH USD, if you follow this one, make sure you join InvestorsHangout.com. The link is in the description below for the stock message board where you can share your thoughts with the tens of thousands of other active investors who use InvestorsHangout.com daily. Taking a look at BLK USD right now at 34.42. You guys have been really riding this 10-day simple moving average as well here. The 30-day simple moving average we've seen over here on that drop of on January 16th where it fell through. That 30-day simple moving average is where you guys came down and made that solid support around that 35. And then unfortunately today you guys have been breaking through there and tapping a few different levels of support now around that 32.50. The next level off of that would be 30 in my personal opinion. So as far as the chart goes, the lower Bollinger Band right now is at 27.45. We're going to be watching for that bottom bounce here. It could happen anywhere from that 30 down here, that 32.50, the 30, but most importantly, even down here at that bottom around that 27.44, it could continue to go back down, but again, I would watch for that lower Bollinger Band bounce. That 30-day simple moving average break is going to be that top at that 70. You guys break through that. That could be a bullish reversal on this one. Let's add in our notes here. And we're going to keep these numbers flat like I've been doing at 34.46. Resistance levels at 35, every 5, 40, 45, and then that 50. A long way back up to the top. Again, to be the first indicator of a bullish reversal here, we would be watching for the 57.64 20-day simple moving average break. If you guys break through that 70, could more than likely come quick. If you guys break through 70, you guys could break out from there. But right now, we're going to be watching for that bounce. Your support levels are going to be at that 32.50 and then that 30. And then I see that one more down here right around that 27. Watch for a possible lower Bollinger Band bounce here. I'm going to put 32.50, and I'm going to pin that up to the 27 as well. So you're going to really need to track this one again. At 27.45 is going to be that lower Bollinger Band. I'm going to keep that at a flat 27. So you guys have a little bit of a range to watch. If you guys are familiar with charts, I would definitely watch the 30-minute chart. So as far as BLK USD goes, if you guys follow this one, make sure that you join investorshangout.com. Check out the description for the BLK USD stock message board where you can share your thoughts and your opinions with the tens of thousands of other active investors who use investorshangout.com daily. Taking a look at BTC USD right now, currently traded at 90.33. You guys are fluctuating quite a bit right now. We're going to continue to watch this one. I did put in all my support and resistance levels. You guys know me with my 10, 20, and 30-day simple moving averages. But right now, something did catch my eye right here between this level here. Okay, so you guys are going to have one big candle here and one big candle down. So obviously, what that would mean here, you know, going through all these charts as much as I do, you guys could rebound off of this fairly quickly to get back up to that 10-day simple moving average. Again, that's right there around that 10.795 area right there. To get back into the bullish territory, the bullish reversal, we would watch for a break of that top at 12.725 rough area right there. You guys are going to have some support levels right now at 9,000, 8,500, and 8,000. That 8,000 down there at that bottom, that is going to be the must hold area because of the fact that even over here on that top, you guys break through that. It looks like the next major level of support would be about that 7,500. So it looks like about 500 drop on each one from there. But again, it looks to about 5-6 solid days here, even more than that, probably about a week straight of a really solid formation around that 8,000. Again, we're going to need to get back above that 12,725. It's a long way off, but to get back in that bullish reversal. But in the short term, what I would be watching for is going to be a bounce off this level as well. Getting to that lower Bollinger Band, I would say between the 9,000 and 8,500, we should see a nice little short rally up, and if it continues, obviously you can keep going higher. So 917 is going to be where we're currently at right now. Resistance level 9,500, 99.50, 10,796, 11,496, and 12,725. Support again that 9,000, 8,500, and 8,000 must hold. Watch for a bounce here, in my opinion, between 9,000 and 8,500. That's what I'd be watching for again on this daily chart here. You guys might be able to get a nice little rally here for a 24-hour period, possibly to bring you guys back into that lower Bollinger Band. But as always, BTC USD, if you guys like this one, make sure that you join investorshangout.com and also leave a comment below if you'd like to see more of these videos, and if you have a request for any other cryptocurrency or coins that you'd like to see me take a look at, let me know again in the comments below. And investorshangout.com, BTC USD. We're going to continue to track this one. Taking a look at DGB USD right now at 04420. I'm going to keep these numbers flat like I've been doing here lately to make it a lot easier for you guys to read. So 04, 0320, 02 are going to be levels of support underneath this. You guys are currently sitting at 0441. Like I said, a little bit of a support there. Looks to be about from these candles over here on January 16th and 17th, and then back over here on December 20th and 21st, right there around that area. But as far as major support levels, major resistance levels, that's what I'm kind of focused on right now. That's going to be about every penny here for the most part, in my opinion. 04, you guys have the lower Bollinger Band at that 0355. That lower Bollinger Band, usually when you get down to there, you will get a bounce, especially over here. See how it bounced back up once you guys tapped that, and then you guys ended up going sideways, stabilizing the price right around there. But you guys ended up breaking through that 05 support today, which is going to bring you to your next level at that 04. That was going to be a solid support level that was holding between that 05 and 06 here for quite some time, but unfortunately you guys did break through that 10-day simple moving average that we've seen right there to get this one back into the bullish territory for a bullish reversal. I would like to see a break of that 30-day simple moving average. See, this big candle right here is probably one of the biggest red candles here in the short term, especially since the beginning of mid-December. Yeah, so that's going to be the biggest red candle. But look at what happened. You guys broke through the 20 and 30-day simple moving average within 2 days. But once you broke through that 30-day simple moving average is normally when you guys, you're going to see a little bit of a drop there, because that is, in my personal opinion, a solid support level. So let's go ahead and add in our notes here at 0443. Resistance levels at 05. Followed up by 06, 07, and 0770. Support 04, 0320, and 02. Watch for a possible bounce 04 to 0320. Especially if you guys hit that 04. Again, watch for that possible bounce here around that 04 to that 0320. If you guys break through that 04, obviously, we're going to be watching that lower Bollinger Band right now at that 0355. If you guys break through that 0770 at the top, that's going to be a 30-day simple moving average break. That could indicate a bullish reversal on DGB USD. So if you guys follow this one, make sure you join investorshangout.com. Check out the description below for the DGB USD stock message board, where you share your thoughts and your opinions with the tens of thousands of other active investors on investorshangout.com.